Let's get started. First, duplicate the lamp image. Next, hide the original lamp image layer. Choose the eraser tool and erase the top part of the lamp. We erase this because we do not need that part to glow. Now, right-click this lamp copy layer and select Blending option. Here, select Outer Glow and apply the following settings. Next, select the Inner Glow and apply the following settings. If you would like to learn in depth about these settings, comment below and I will create a separate video explaining each setting. Make the original lamp layer visible so the top part of lamp becomes visible. Select the image layer and select the Object Selection tool. Select the girl's image and click Ctrl+J to duplicate this selection. Now select the drop-down and choose Color. Select the Brush tool. Then select the lamp's glow light color and give this shade to the image.